I am a law-abiding goat citizen, and I'm gonna drive perfectly. Move! Move out of the road! These stupid people taking too long and blocking my way. People, if you're hearing this, you're taking too. And I don't care that that sounds like a Delta reference, because it wasn't supposed to be. Um, um, maybe I shouldn't have ran over so many people earlier. Ooh, candy! La la la. Those are the weirdest sounds I'll ever have to make for this channel. Go, 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 go. Pointy Foods Factory. Maybe I can get a banana. Hello, not Steve, you're coming with me. And I don't give a crap. Save yourself. Oh, well, he's dead. Goodbye, Steve. Rest in peace. You, lived for 5 seconds. Sorry, sir. Sorry, other sir. Sorry, whoever owns that building. Pointy food. Accidentally killed a man. Never mind, he's alive. Accidentally killed a man. Okay, ooh, what's this?